parlok nongpo pijinjar haying hadukan ne hajkatre jongpi pon sya karo water supply ngin penpoi ke kebakhoj kebabang bat kebasyam pun hau number pranyo saunat not henriu nyolai pun sepi penpoi bai hajing pima dukan pima jakatre pima penpoi bet ise
ban penbet halor ka jingdon ki kenhun nyam Hindu ban pelong jaka mani blai hakrem mau jumbuny bat ka jing persya jong ka dorbar snong mau senram ka deputy commissioner ka East Khas Hill District ka kong RM Kurba hakalai trik kelalungkot arjar pusan kala khot syakami jinga keren ban penbet halor ka ni ka kam ya ka dorbar snong mau senram bat ketiga kenhun kinyam Hindu habai keren bat kenong ilam snong kilong bakim dan kanu ka jing persya halor ka jingwan jongki syakani ka jaka lada kiwan kum kinong wan jungok kai perthai Henry Kim Sha dan Lili Pat ban pelong jaka mani blai. Asisten rang bak snong bat nong akitien ke dorbar ubak hiam dor rapsang ulong bak ke dorbar snong ke dei ke trai jong ke krem mau jumbuny bat nado ke basdang ke dorbar kam ju Sha Satya ban le nyam chapo jong ke ni ke krem. Bat kibawan ban wan kai Sha ke krem kidi ban burom ya ki kendon jong ke dorbar snong kalak hang persya dak bateng ban le nyam hapo ke krem bat ban penkela ya ke krem kum kamandir namar kani kedai ke jaka jungok kai
kabaning kong ngila UI ha ke tukan notice jong DC bai khot lang ya kani ka kenhun na po asam rubani don lang kani ka meeting ha kabaning kong na kaliang jongi mas UI ba kani ka kenhun kan don lang ha kani ka meeting ngila swanmi shani menta ka singi ba nginum don benta banesong ha kani ka meeting balai ba kita ki banabar nadu asam bakin wan tuklar interview ya kata kami yang jongi hang ni kata kadi kanong rem bangiwan hang ni nako nilamut kumta tendain talekran badi DC na kalang jongi la karpa bakan numpoi sya kata bagi ne tetin yaki ndai ni suka ban sengap yo bagi suka ban sengap ke ka bagi don ban ong hang ni marhamat ni menta tin ha ka jongi kran jongi hang te ni na kalang jong ka dor basdang ni ong bang inum kenran dien tang kandiat ru ya katakan nong rem ka jongi ka bangila juyeng bersikata baka number 1 bangi dei kita kitrai jong ketika krem mo jumboy haba ong kitrai kamut ngila banrai ngila kanu karai ka bagi syem ha katai ka cakala jong mo di bat ka baar kalong bait bakati ka krem mo jumboy ka dei bait ka tourist spot nginu mentetin yano ban ang ban pan permission ban wan maneblai ha ketika cakah mo kata kadi nong rem ka jongi nado ke basdang ya ki tourist lani yano kila banwan na kelengkari India barokwe banwan hakate ke jaka tang ba ka ke badon kam kolong bakin subut betang ye kitiki kendon ke baka snong kabu tang ka talabya kamdon kanu ke jingkhang ya kinu ki jingai yano yo Hindu Muslim Christian yano kamdon kum kata nai one as tourist handrai boat betang ye kitiki SOP ke baka snong kala bu but la display ru haka signboard mas jarum apa krem pinyu i kita ke berkhad ma te kai ke bami na ka jinga kran hang ni hang tai uni udu khar KSP ke tu ka seng na po asam undau la pen i ki ba udon kam men pen i hang tai kadai ke berkhad ke ba ula sya ya lambaklah ulai sya ya lambaklah namar ba ong bahana bakadon kata ka jingkhang ban wan hapo krem mau jum boy Rengi ni tu baka kremo jumpoin kapli baro lais pa nru phosan singi kamdon kanu ke jingkhang mo kamdon kanu ke jingkhang ya kate ke caka banwa tang bag ngimsha ban convert ya ka caka mane belai lade P1 shudem pishule ite jese ba fi mane mano ban khang ya kata nai ndai maintain ya kate ka silent ha kate po ketika krem mo bot ya kite kendon ki baka ai ki ayu ke sno te hadian kata na kaliang jong u ke ka bu tho ya kata ka sithi bu tho sha ka surka address chou chief minister kadi kata ka sithi ka bu ong ba ngidon ni kitiki hok kumta te jogi ni kitiki fundamental rights jong u bat unda ula UI ya kata ka ya kitiki SOP ki jongi ru ki hap kum ju hi ni ong bangim sim khang te ma ngim sim khang yeno ru panwan re tang ban pen kala ya kitiki jaga membelai teke ka bau ya berthen bersikata kum to sate ban khang kitiki kali bike kita kadi tang gading sha ba u sha misled lane u sha ya lambakla haki wei pat ki katu kat ni ki priu ki ba perkhat tang ya kajing mento simet ke jongki chetu ipi hang ni wanra bat kani ke kopi kata ke MOU jo kata ka seng khasi himamu sinra ndai wan ra da ketika seng kasih himau sam ketika MOU ngamti buyo kopi na ketika MOU mo daun laura hang tei ulah pen hang tei bat hang ta la pen syai syau bapila syai lam bakla namar katai ka seng kasih himau musram kam dei ke hendrai ka dei ke basu Shumi tangkum kitiki seng ban pun lenti lane ban kamai lane na ban yo jing matoi shimet nang chu Kim Ken Shu ya kaya ke jo ka jai ban re Kim Ken Shu ya kata ke jing long try ke chu tin na kalyang jung EDC ri lapan sha kitu ki KSP ya kata ka city ka bala tho da ka seng khasi kimi maukhar ba kim itu ya kata ka seng khasi hima musla bat na kata kadau hadian balai keren ibon ki hang tai ki kilasai bakadai tang ke jing sha ya lam bakla bangi ong yu la da mekwa banwan mo jempun melak ban lek mentan ne melek lasai ru lek tang ba but be iki kendon jongka snong bagabu tang kata gitu dong ki berkhai kadai ke jing sha ya lam bakla bar si kata na kalyang dro snong ni yang be kata ju hi kanong re ba nginum sha bat penkala cakamane balai ya kadai keren mo jempun
We have 4 people here. Lot of people are there outside the meeting hall. So it was a nice meeting, and they say there is no ban on worshipping on the cave, Mohsin Ram cave sibling, and it is open to everyone, open to all. But they have to follow some SOPs, and of course there should be some SOPs because the Mozumbin cave itself is a necessarily from its structure. And being a citizen of this India, we have the fundamental duties to protect the environment, forest and lake, etc. So we do have some suggestions. We offered our suggestion to them and they accept our suggestions. Okay, there should not be any lights, diyas and hoops inside the cave. It's okay, that should not be there because it is a tourist spot and it is a sensitive environmental spot. There should not be any kind of external applications to apply to the places. And number 2 is that there should not be any kind of noise. Yes, that can also be understood, that can also be appreciated. And they say there is no any ban and they will go for special arrangement to the people in the month of Sawan. They have accepted it, they will do it. And they also said that for 365 days it is open to all, and they will keep on operating the cave for everyone. Everyone go inside the cave, they can offer their prayer there and they can do anything, but no lights, no smoke, no alcohol. Of course there should not be any alcohol, you know? So smoke means smoke from any DI and all, that is okay. We have submitted one letter addressing to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and we have distributed through the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, and we have submitted this to all the stakeholders who were present in the meeting. And basically what we have suggested to them, they said yes, they already put in those things in the SOPs. So I think the meeting was good, and let's see what happened. We are hope for the best, and we are here being a citizen of India as per the Article 51 says. We are performing our constitutional duties, and right to worship, right to live, right to movement. Everyone has this fundamental right given by the Constitution of India. They have to respect, and they, of course, they are respecting all the fundamental duties, and they are doing their fundamental, expecting all the fundamental rights and doing their fundamental duties. So we are thankful to the Meghalayan government and looking forward to visit the Mohsin Ram cave in coming days with all my friends and all you. So it is a nice meeting. I mean, see, there is some misconfusion in the worship. What we are mean by worship is like to offer the prayer to the Almighty. It may be anyone. See, we say it is Bhagavan, Ishwar, someone say it is Lord, someone say it is Allah, but end of the day it is the one. So to offer the praise, nothing to do any kind of diyas and agarbattis and all, but you have to go there, and they accept these things. I can go there, I can sit there, I can sit for 5 minutes, I can close my eyes, I can do offer my prayers there. This is the worship. No any kind of ritual. Ritual is not a core component. If any kind of ritual is required, that can be done outside the cave.